Hi guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to show you a software tool that you can use to create um, math games for both kids and adults. And this is called Brain Game Prints, and it's a puzzle generation software tool, and it is a tool that you download and use on your computer. So once you purchased it and download it, you don't have to have internet connection. You can use it anytime, anywhere, as long as you're on your computer. And it does work in both Windows version and Mac version of computers. Today, I'm working on a Windows desktop computer. And once you download it, there's two different options. There's a standard version of the software, and then there's a pro version. I currently have the pro version, but on the standard version, you would have the option of two different types of logic puzzles that deal with math: the Kalkudoku generator and the Sudoku generator. And so once you select which puzzle that you want to create, say for instance, you wanted to create a Sudoku puzzle book, you would click on that and click OK. Okay, and then from there, a new window pops up on your screen, and you'll have this option to choose from several different grid sizes. The smaller the grid size, the easier it would be. So say we were doing it for kids, I would go for a 4x4, and you can pick your difficulty level from easy or very easy. I'm going to go with easy. And here you would tell it how many puzzles that you want. I'm going to go with 20. And then if you want your titles to show at the top of your puzzle, you would put it, be sure to check this box that says show puzzle. You type in what you want it to be. Your title will be, I'm going to put puzzle. And then over here, I'm going to leave as solution. And then you have several options. If you want to, you can do PNG files, JPEG files, SVG, PDF. Now, if you have the standard version, you're going to have some limitations on the number and the type of style formats. You would want to use like a PNG, JPEG, or SVG, something like that, if you're going to be compiling your book in a software like Canva or something like that. Then you could just bring in the individuals. For ease of use, I'm going to select the PDF, and it's saying how many generations I have. Again, because I have the the pro version here, it has unlimited. If you have the standard, you'll have a number. I believe it's 99. And then you can select what page size. So it will format your book to fit what page size or book size option. I'm going to go ahead and go with the standard US letter, 8.5 by 11. I'm going to leave everything like that. I'm going to do puzzles per page as 1. And on my solutions, I'm going to do 4. And then here it's going to ask you, where do you want to save your PDF? So you would just pick an option, and I'm going to create a, let's see, folder. Okay, I'm going to say I want it to save in that location. Oh, the name. Book sample. And over here you can choose what fonts you want to have your book displayed in, and I believe it takes the fonts from your that's currently installed on your computer. And for now, I'm just going to leave it at Arial. You can change the colors of the different options here if you wanted to. Once you make your changes, you can click Update Preview. Oh, sorry about that. And it's going to give you a preview of what your book or your printable would look like. So it's showing that I have my puzzle as on one page and my solutions are going to be 4 to a page. If you're happy with how it looks, you can go ahead and click generate. If there's something that you want to change, you can go back over here before you hit the generate button. Then if you're happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and select generate. It's going to give a progress bar. And it will take it a few minutes to generate your book. And you can sell these puzzles either on Amazon KDP. You could sell it on Teachers Pay Teachers. You could sell these on Etsy. You can sell it on your own shop, PayHip, wherever it is that you like to sell. You have the option of selling them there. So you can create books or you could create printables. Okay, so it tells me that it's completed that. So let's take a look and see if I can find where I saved it at. Okay, download pictures, pins. I saved it in a weird folders. Okay. And here it pops it into, it's already formatted for you, and this is a PDF file. And if you were selling this as a printable set, you could easily sell this like this. Or if you wanted to, add your cover page and some other information, you could add those. You could create it in PowerPoint or Canva, whatever thing that you design software that you use, and then merge the two PDFs. Like I use Adobe Acrobat Pro, so I can easily combine two PDFs. If not, you can also look online, and there's some PDF tools that would allow you to combine your multiple PDFs into one. So that is one of the puzzles that you can create. Like I said, if you have the standard version, you'll also have um, the option to create Calcadoo puzzles. And right now, the standard version at the time of launch is $37. And there are a couple of upgrade options. If you go to the Pro version, you'll also have the option of creating Akari puzzles as well as Jigsaw Sudoku puzzles. Let's take a look at the Kakadoku generator. I'm going to click OK. And these are sometimes called Mathodoku puzzles as well. Sorry, my computer, because I'm recording, is going a little bit slow. And the interface looks similar. Like I say, if you have the standard version, you'll be limited on the grid size and the operators. You'll just have the plus and the plus and minus. If you go to the Pro version, you'll have all of these options that you see on my screen here. Again, say we were going to create for kids and I wanted something easy. I'm going to go with the smaller grid. I'm going to just go with the plus. I'm not going to put anything here on my number of puzzles. I'm going to say 20. And I'm going to leave this as like that. I'm going to go with PDF. Leave my page size. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to say book sample 2. I'm going to leave these alone, but again, you can change your fonts and all of that. I'm going to update my preview. Oh, Okay, see here, I left it as one, which is perfectly fine if that's what you want to do. But I personally would want my solutions to be shown, multiple solutions on one page. So I'm going to update my preview. And you'll also notice that I forgot to tick the box to show title. So I'm going to go back over here, click that, and then update my preview again. Okay. Now, you don't have to just have one puzzle per page. You could do two. Let's take a look at that. I'm going to update the preview. Okay. So I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate. Going to take a few seconds, and once it's completed, it's going to let us know like it did before. Okay, it's just about there. Okay, so it's complete. And go back to my test folder. So now this one's here, book sample 2. Okay, and see it's formatted there. Okay, so I like that. And so if I wanted to combine and offer a booklet or a printable pack that included both the Sudoku and the Calcado or Math Doku puzzles together, then on, because I'm using Adobe Acrobat Pro, I could go to Tools, Combine Files, and I could click Add Open Files, and then I could select the two files there and click Add, and then click Combine. And then just like that, I now have a 40-page PDF. And then you can also rearrange this. If I go to Tools, Organize Pages, say for instance, if I wanted all of my solutions to be together, I could move these pages to the end of my document. If I wanted to, I can move it all the way to the end to there and have all my solutions in one page. I can insert other pages and all that. So this is one of the reasons why I personally like Adobe Acrobat Pro. But you don't have to have it. You can use other tools, and some of them are free and that you can find online. Okay, again, right now this is in a special lunch, and during the lunch period is $37 for the standard form of the brain game prints. If you choose to upgrade, the upgrade happens, you'll once you make the standard purchase, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, that's going to give you the option to upgrade your package, and I believe that is $77. And you'll just want to read here. It tells you what all you'll be getting with the pro versions. You have unlimited downloads, you have the ability to edit in PowerPoint, you have additional puzzles. You also have that Akari puzzle instead of just the two ones that comes with the standard. You have additional math operators that you can include. Um, you have the image compiler that comes with the pro version. You have access to hundreds of fonts where you can further personalize your puzzles. And you'll also have access to the Jigsaw Sudoku puzzles. And that is, I believe it's $77 if you choose that option. Yes, it's $77. Um, and you don't have to, but it's an option there. So this is a tool that, like I say, you can use it for your home use. You can use it to create books and printables to sell on marketplaces like Amazon KDP, Etsy, You can sell it on your own shop. So if creating math puzzles is something that is of interest to you, you might want to check out this new software tool, which is called Brain Game Prints. And it is created by one of my favorite Amazon KDP tool creators, Luke Bowes, and he has partnered up with Ike Paz, I think is how you say his last name, to create and launch this particular software. And I just wanted to give you guys an overview of this. If this is something that you're interested in, I will leave my affiliate link where you can purchase it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a great day. Bye bye.